Hi, in this video I want to show you app for converting Word tables from Word document into separate Excel workbook with all tables in it from Word document copied to Excel. This is my website. I will leave link on this site into description. To find app, I will click on search and type Word and click on app I need. This is copy Word tables to Excel. Just click on it, double click on the download button to start downloading, and basically it will download archive on my computer, and archive will contain app installation. So let's wait for it to download. I will click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside the archive and click on more info. More info. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, or just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install, click on yes, and click on finish. And you can see app has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and minimize this and double click on new shortcut to launch app. Now, conversion is 3 steps for process. In first step, I'll have to select the Word document I want to take tables from. And I want to show you Word document I have before selecting. So, in my documents, I have I need to go to type. Oh, I can show it from here. So I'll click here to select input files, and I have a multi-tables document. Document contains 2 tables. I will open it. Right click open, just to show you that this is it contains US and Canada states. First table is US states. Second table is Canada states. Very simple. And so I will click on this, click on open, and add it to my list. I click here to select second file, and let's keep this bank transaction file. I can open to you. Right click open, just to show you. Okay, so it has date, amount, nothing here in number, but pay, memo, and category. It's just a simple Word document, and I will add it as example. Click on open, add it here. So again, I can clean this and show it to you again. I'll click to select input file and click my 2 documents. Multi-table, open, and then click bank transaction, open. Or I can hold Control key and select these 2 files like this. I can show it to you. Let's click. If I hit Ctrl A, I will select all Word documents into this, but it's too much. It will be like huge Excel file. I have a lot of documents, so I'll select this one and hold Ctrl and click on bank transaction and click on open, and I have 2 files. Now, after all files I want to be converted to Excel selected, I will click on next step. And then if first row of input file has column names, like our file, if I go back to this file and open it, right, first row, see there is a first row and it contains not data but actual name of the columns, like state name, state code, and this is why I click on cancel, and this is why I will leave this checkbox checked. Click on next step and click on run to create Excel file. Now I have to specify name of the file or use this name of the file and location. So this name and location is okay. I'll just click on save, and you can see file has been saved. Let's go and see file, and I will click my documents. This is my file. Just double click on it. Remember, we have 2 tables in one file. It was a multiple table, right? First was state name, it's neat, and 1 table, first spreadsheet. First US states, second are Canada states, and third is our bank transaction. With empty folders and with pay folders and everything, and all data is neatly written into tables. Nice. So yeah, this is basically how this app works. Give it a try. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments.